Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And again, I come up with a slightly interesting scenario here that we need to solve through the Power BI. And this time, I will introduce to your hierarchical functions. Right? You have some path items, path reverse, all these functions you have on the hierarchical DAX functions, right? So let's see why to use, where to use, and how to use, right? So this is a very basic setup I have. I have the employees. So I have employee one, employee two, all these number employees, their email ID and their managers, right? So if you see the employee one is a manager himself. So he's the boss of the company, CEO. Now employee two is reporting to employee one. So there is some hierarchy is going on inside the table, right? And here is the ask is to we need to create a hierarchy. Here I can't create a normal hierarchy, right? Like region, country, city, or category, subcategory, product name. That is not the this is a different hierarchy where you need to say the first level, second level, third level, fourth level, all these things. Normally, what happens is when you are connecting to your database, suppose your underlying data source is a database, right? This table information will be available directly, okay? So that you can import it and you can work on that. So let's suppose your data set is coming from a normal file kind of system and where somebody has given you this information, and from there how you can create a the hierarchy kind of information here. So let's see how to create it. The first I will create a normal hierarchy column like which employees belongs to what. Okay. So for that I will create a new column here first, and I will put the name as called hierarchy. Okay. And I will use the first function called path. So here the path is you will to give two columns here. What is the ID column and what is the parent column here. Okay. So I will say my employee name, comma, my manager. These are the two columns I want to put it. And if we create it, if you see the employee one is the boss, then employee one, employee two means employee two is related to or reporting to employee one. Like that, employee three is also reporting to employee one. Employee four also is reporting to employee one. So like that, there is a combination of hierarchy it is getting created for across all the employees, right? This is the hierarchy. Now we need the email IDs. Okay, so I will get the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. So we have a left till level 5, I think. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so let's create another column here. So here we are using the path function, which will combine this two. Now, next, we'll see the first level, level 1. Okay, here I will use the lookup value function here. So I need to look up the value. What I need to look up here? I need to look up the value called user email. I need the user email here. Okay. Then what will be my search criteria here? Search criteria would be my employee ID. Based on the employee ID, I need to search it. Okay. Then based on what hierarchy? Suppose employee one is belongs to employee one, the hierarchy, right? And employee two is belongs to employee two, then employee two is belongs to employee one. So I will use a uh, another hierarchical function here called path item. Okay. We have so many paths, so I'm using the path item here. So here you are giving the three things here. First is called the path, then is your position, the last type is what type of data set or the type you are planning to return. Okay, so here the first column would be my hierarchy which I created. Okay, then comma, then position would be first position, then I'm going to get the output as a text because I'm getting the email ID. So if I enter this, then I will get CP. The first level for everybody is this guy, 000 at hotmail.com. He is the guy who is the boss of the company, right? So I can now simply copy this level 1, go to the level 2 here. I will just change it to level 2, and only changes I need to do here in this case, the second one. See, I will get the first, I don't have any level 2, then I will getting the level 2 for everything who is reporting to the level 1, right? Same way, I will get the level 3. Slowly I'm just faster I will do, nothing is there, just putting a here is the level 3 done. and I will create a level 4. Okay, level 4, and the data set, the position which I am planning to put at level 4. The last hierarchy I will create is called the level 5. We can create any number of level based on your data sets. What sort of data we have, up to which level we have the data, that we can create it. Okay, now this is the level 5. If you see here, this is a good hierarchy kind of information, right? So if you see this guy, right, he is reporting to this guy is reporting to this guy is reporting to this, right? So this is a complete hierarchy of this. And if you see this is 5 level of data. So based on this is a table, right? We can do any kind of row level security and all these things we can do it. So this is an example of a path. We are using the path here, okay? And here we're using the path item. So based on that, we can create a basic user info table or hierarchy table in Power BI using the DAX functions, right? So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for more real-time scenarios like this and interesting topics on the Power BI area and other stuff also, right? And thanks for watching and have a nice day, guys.